Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We are starting today Tajweed rules and different rules of the Tajweed. We was discussed in the previous lectures and previous lessons Arabic alphabets, and after the alphabets, the second steps is coming is some important letters. So today we will discuss of total letters and mean to Haroof Halqi. How many of total letters? Total letters are 6. Hamza, Ha, Ain, Ha, Ghain, Kha. These 6 letters are total letters. But we are making of the 3 steps of the throat in Tajweed rules. Beginning of the throats, middle of the throats, and end of the throats. And couple of the letters reading of with the 1 steps. First is the beginning of the throat. There is pronouncing with this step is 2 letters. From here, this is starting from your throat. This is the beginning of the throats. Ha, Ghain and Kha. Ghain and Kha. These 2 letters is reading with the beginning of the throat. Second one step is middle of the throat, center of the throat. So this is place of the center of the throat. Here is 2 letter reading of with this place. Ain, Ha. Ain and Ha. And third one is end of the throat. So this is end of the throat, nearest of chest. Here is reading of the 2 letters, Hamza and Ha. Hamza and Ha. So these 6 letters are Haroof Halqi and total letters. Inshallah, we will discuss in the next lecture is Haroof Qalqalah. Thanks.